Hello friends, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Sirajul Akfazi. Today in this video, I am going to talk about properties of amines. Physical properties of amines. Just like alcohols, amines are polar compounds. However, because nitrogen is less electronegative than oxygen, the NH bond is less polar than OH bond, and hydrogen bond between amine molecules are weaker than those between alcohol molecules. The polar nature of amines influence the many of the physical properties such as boiling point. For similarly constituted compounds, alkyl amines have boiling points which are higher than those of alkanes but lower than those of alcohols. Look at these three compounds. One is alcohol, another is amine, and third is the alkane. So boiling point minus 42, 17 and 78. So ethanol highest, same carbon atom, same size. Primary and secondary amine have NH bonds, allowing them to form intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Because primary amines have two NH bonds, hydrogen bonding is more significant in primary amine than in the secondary amine having no NH bond. Pure tertiary amines cannot participate in hydrogen bonding between their own molecules. Since hydrogen's bonding significantly affect the boiling points of compounds, it is not surprising that among isomeric amines, primary amines have the highest boiling point and tertiary amines the lowest examples. This is the propylamine, this is N-methylamine, ethylamine and triethylamine. Look at the boiling point 50, 34 and only 3 degrees. So basicity of amines. To understand the unshared pair of electrons on nitrogen atom of an amine dominates the chemistry of amines and is responsible for the basicity, sharing their lone pair of electrons with protons, and nucleophilicity, sharing their lone pair with the electrophilic carbon. So lone pair of electrons readily available for bond formation. Although amines are weak bases, they are considerably more basic than alcohol, ethers and alcohol. Indeed, as a class of organic compounds, amines are the strongest bases of all natural molecules. So basicity of amines. When an amine is dissolved in water, an equilibrium is established in which water acts as an acid and transfer a proton to the amines. Aqueous solutions of amines are basic because of following equilibrium. Look at this reaction. Amine, this lone pair of electron approaches this hydrogen and breaking off OH bonds and forming ammonium ion, and hydroxide ion make the aqueous solution basic. So K equilibrium is equal to this and this concentration divided by this concentration and this concentration. So the base constant Kb or its Kb, pKb minus log Kb can therefore be used to compare the relative basicities of the various amine. From the equation, it should be clear that groups electron donating that stabilize the positive charge on nitrogen enhance the basicity of amine. So variation of basicity among alkyl amine. The basicity of alkyl amine in the gas phase increases in the order: ammonia, primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. The electron release from alkyl groups provide the principal mechanism by which the conjugate acid of amine is stabilized in the gas phase. The more alkyl groups attached to the positively charged nitrogen, the more stable the alkyl ammonium ion becomes. So basicity of saturated heterocyclic amines. Saturated heterocyclic amines are just as basic as typical acyclic amine that contains the same heteroatoms. For example, pyrrolidine, piperidine, morpholine behaves like typical secondary amine, and methyl pyrrolidine behaves like a typical tertiary amine. You see the pyrrolidine, N-methyl pyrrolidine, piperidine and morpholine. Now pKb 2.7, 3.7, 2.9, 4.7. So this is the basicity. Basicity of aryl amine. Aryl amine pKb 10 such as aniline are far less basic than alkyl amine pKb 4. For example, aniline is less basic than cyclohexane. cyclohexylamine by nearly a million times. Look at aniline and this is cyclohexylamine. So aniline is a weaker base than cyclohexylamine because the electron pair on nitrogen of aniline is delocalized by interactions with the pi system of the aromatic ring and is less readily available for bonding to a proton. The shared electron pair in cyclohexylamine is localized on nitrogens, less strongly held, and therefore available in acid-base reactions. You see the aniline is resonance structure of our aniline. You see how it is resonating inside the ring, and electron pair localized on nitrogen and hence available to act as a base, cyclohexylamine. So this lone pair of electron in delocalizations, not localized, and this is localized. So basicity of aromatic heterocyclic amines, although non-aromatic heterocyclic amines such as piperidine are similar in basic to alkylamine when nitrogen is a part of an aromatic ring, as in the certain heteroatom amines such as pyridine and basicity decrease markedly. Now look at here, this is piperidine and this is aromatic pyridine. You see the differences. Pyridine is less basic than alkylamine because the lone pair of electron on nitrogen are held in sp2 orbital. More s character, thus a smaller orbitals, electron more tightly held, less availability for sharing, while those in the alkylamine are held in sp3 orbital, lesser character, larger orbital, electron less tightly held, and thus more readily available for sharing. So basicity of aromatic heterocyclic compounds, certain other aromatic amines such as pyrrole, in which the electron pair on nitrogen is a part of aromatic electrons cloud, are even less basic than pyridine. Aromatic achieved through the participation of lone pair of electrons on nitrogens, and aromaticity achieved without participation of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen. Pyridine is more basic than pyrrole since the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen is readily available to initiate bond formation while the of pyrrole is held up in the aromatic clouds. So to determine the order of increasing basicity, list basic nitrogens that are positively charged ammonium. Nitrogens whose lone pair of electrons contribute towards the aromatic pi clouds, pyrrole. Nitrogens whose lone pair of electrons are delocalized to an adjacent pi system, example aniline. Lone pair on sp or nitrogen, cyano groups, nitrile. Lone pair on an sp2 nitrogen, imine, pyridine. Lone pair on sp3 nitrogen, piperidine. Nitrogen of unconjugated primary amine, nitrogen of unconjugated tertiary amine, nitrogen of unconjugated secondary amine. These are most basic, this is the least basic. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.